The all-new Ford Puma Street, redefining compact crossovers. In the wake of Ford's decision to discontinue the Fiesta in 2023, all eyes turn to the Puma, its versatile crossover counterpart, to carry on the legacy of the beloved Super Mini. Now, with the 2024 mid-cycle update, the Puma steps up to the challenge, blending cutting-edge technology with dynamic performance, exterior evolution. While the Puma's exterior remains largely unchanged, subtle enhancements like matrix LED headlights and updated badging breathe fresh life into its design, with a choice of 6 vibrant colors, including the striking cactus gray, and a range of wheel options up to 19 inches. The Puma exudes style and sophistication on the road. Interior innovation. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by the futuristic SYNC for infotainment system, featuring dual screens that seamlessly integrate into the sleek dashboard. The 12-inch touchscreen takes center stage, complemented by a 12.8-inch digital instrument cluster, ensuring a seamless and intuitive user experience. Powerful performance. Under the hood, the Puma sets pulses racing with its turbocharged 1.0-liter engine and 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. While it may seem diminutive on paper, this powerhouse delivers an exhilarating 168 horsepower and 248 Nm of torque, propelling the crossover from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 7.4 seconds. Efficiency meets excitement. Despite its formidable performance, the Puma Street prioritizes efficiency, thanks to its mild hybrid technology with a fuel-sipping demeanor and agile handling. This crossover offers the perfect balance of power and eco-friendliness for the modern driver. Looking ahead, in line with Ford's commitment to sustainability, the Puma Gen-E, a fully electric variant, is set to debut later this year. Built on the same platform as its gasoline-powered counterparts, the Puma Gen-E promises a seamless transition to electric driving without compromising on style or performance. In conclusion, with its bold design, innovative technology, and exhilarating performance, the 2024 Ford Puma redefines the compact crossover segment. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on off-road adventures, this versatile vehicle offers a thrilling driving experience with a conscience. Get ready to embrace the future of mobility with the all-new Ford Puma Street.